If you've been gardening as long as I have, you've probably noticed one thing about terracotta pots. They get harder every year. I don't mean harder to find, I mean harder to lift, harder to move, harder to do on your own. And it isn't a problem that goes away. It gets harder for us every year. So today, I want to show you something that completely changed the way I think about this. Just to be clear, I'm not going to tell you to get rid of your terracotta. I love my terracotta pots. There is no way I'm giving them up. I love the way they look, I love the way they feel, and I love that they're organic. But working with them always requires help. I need help loading them at the nursery. I need help getting them home. I need help once they are home. Sometimes I can do it by myself, but a lot of times it means depending on somebody else to help me, and that kind of takes the joy out of that part of it. So I started noticing something: high quality plastic pots. Pots with good workmanship, pots with nice finishes, quality workmanship, and I thought, I'm going to give it a try, just once. But here's the part that surprised me most. I liked it so much, I ordered 2 more for my front porch. Not in the back where I'm going to be looking at it from a distance, the front porch where I see them up close every single day, every time I come in the house. Even my husband commented how nice and welcoming they look. I have to say, it really did change my mind about being open to new products. Plastic isn't always bad. The nice thing about these is that they are so lightweight. If I change my mind, I can easily move them from place to place. And because I got them on Amazon, they were delivered right to my door. I didn't have to wait for someone to load them into my car, and I didn't have to have help unloading them and rolling them into position once I got them home. I hope this inspires you to give yourself permission to try something new too and enjoy your time in the garden just that much more. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time.